In today's video, we're going to be repairing this NORD, which has a broken output jack. I bought new parts, and I'm going to start by unscrewing all of these screws on the various locations on the body of this keyboard. There's 3 on either side, and then there's 5 along the back, and 1 pesky little screw, which took me a while to find, on the bottom. We can go ahead and lift the top off from the bottom and check out what's going on inside this bad boy. Seems to be connected with a ribbon cable. Disconnect that. Go ahead and set aside the top so it doesn't get damaged during this process. Next, we're going to have to remove all the nuts off of the back of the keyboard. There used to be 6, but now there's 5 since one of them has been broken. And then, of course, 4 small Torx screws. Make sure you have the exact size, otherwise you're just going to strip these. That's what a Torx head looks like if you're wondering. Now that those are all gone, we're going to remove the final 3 screws and lift out the circuit board. I decided to disconnect one of these ribbon cables to give me a bit more space while I'm working. I set down a piece of foam to protect the PCB board while I'm working with it. Here I realized that I purchased the incorrect part. You idiot. Why could you have done this? And of course the cameraman has an opinion.
Is it the wrong one?
Yeah. It's a brand new day. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, we're gonna brave ourselves, steel our emotions, realize that this part was incorrect. Yes, actually it only had 2. All right, great job. Scroll down, and of course there's the correct part. We're gonna order this one and wait until it arrives. Oh yeah, now we can begin again. All right, it's been 2 weeks. We got the right part. Looks like someone's getting a pizza delivery. Pizza FOMO aside, I'm sure we can agree that caffeine is a hell of a drug. Check out this murder of crows. So I'm preheating the soldering iron and sharpening the tip for better accuracy while I'm melting. We'll begin this process by heating up all the terminals in preparation for removal. Just be very patient. Welcome to the sketchy soldering iron maneuver in 3, 2, 1. Don't worry, people. We skipped our ER visit for the day. This piece actually came out pretty easy. Now I'm going to clean all of the holes in preparation for installing the new piece, or output jack, I guess is the proper term for this. Just cleaning them, making sure there's no excess solder, and there it is, all finished up. Looks pretty great, if you ask me. I can go ahead and install the circuit board again, making sure I put all of the parts back in their respective places.
Schlock no tea.
My brother is very excited to try out this new input jack. Here he's plugging it in, turning it on. Check. Check. Triple check.
Thanks, Max.
Did you know that Tame Impala is actually only one guy? Isn't that crazy?